Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for a 10 beginner MS Office free courses. So the first course is Microsoft Office 2016 suite of application. An overview. This course is only 1 hour and 30-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course. A student will understand the features of Office 2016 that are common for all Office 2016 application or programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, etc. etc. So let's check it out the introduction video.
Greetings and welcome to Microsoft Office 2016 Essentials. My name is Dr. Jilani and I will be your coach. This training program is for anyone who wants to learn the essentials of Microsoft Office 2016 suite of applications. Whether you are a complete beginner or a user of the older versions of Microsoft Office, I am sure you are going to find some new features and additions in this version 2016. This is the first in a series of programs. It is an overview of Microsoft Office 2016, and in this we are going to cover the basic features that are common to all applications. This then will be followed by Office 2016 versions of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, and so on. These programs have been developed in view of the beginner level or those who are still using Office 2007. However, if you are using 2010 or 13, you can skip this overview and go directly to any program of your choice. But if you want to revise...
Okay, the next course is Office 365 Basic of Microsoft's Cloud Service. See why so many are embarrassing Office 365. Learn the benefit of using Microsoft 365 and how is impact all businesses. So this course only 42-minute demanding video. So guys, the all courses are beginner level courses, so you do not have any previous experience in the Microsoft products. Okay, you will learn to this course identify what is Office 365 and why is Office 365 is so popular, and benefit is of using Office 365. So let's check out the introduction video.
Office 365 Cloud Computing for All. Welcome and thank you for taking the time to watch my introduction into Office 365. You have probably heard or read news about Office 365. Is your school or company talking about using it? Do you want to see what all the hoopla is about with Office 365 and why so many companies are moving to it? There are opportunities available for freelancers, developers, consultants, and many more. See the type of freedom that Office 365 can provide. This course is designed for everyone that wants to get a quick introduction into cloud computing services, and especially on Microsoft's Office 365. There is no need to know any programming language or have any knowledge of computer.
Okay, then third course is Word Office 2016. Okay, the third course is Word Office 2016 Ultimate Basic of Beginner. Simply you will upgrade your skill in Word or Microsoft Office. This course only 15-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course. In chapter 1, students will learn how to use every test style tool different between test types using paragraph styling tools, and do not miss out hashtag for extra tutorial, and you would be able to add listen to heading titles and bold, underline, italic, text biography, etc. etc. So let's check out the introduction video.
Good day, sir. My name is Nazmi and I will be your instructor for Gear Up Word Office course. I have a 5 years experience working freelancing job using Word Office and 2 years of teaching web development and Microsoft Office. So I thought it might be the perfect timing to share this knowledge with you guys. This course was designed for students or any person want to do a freelancing jobs using Word Office, or work from home virtual assistant, or anyone aiming to apply to become a virtual assistant, or simply any individual that would like to boost and upgrade his Word Office skills. Also, it might be super beneficial if you're planning to learn HTML5 and CSS3, as it's the perfect preparatory course for it. Actually, at the end of this course, we will be learning how to change your Word document file to an HTML file.
Okay, the next course is Get Started with Microsoft Word. Learn Microsoft Office Word in 2020. This course only 1 hour and 20 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course only MS Office Word. Okay, so let's check it out the introduction video.
Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Office course. Now, in this course we will get started with Microsoft Word, and we will do that in a very efficient way. Now, I have been using Microsoft Word for years. I wrote books using Microsoft Word. I wrote business books and I wrote technology, programming books. So I know what needs to be used and what will be used by most people, and some features may be useful sometimes, but we won't cover them. We will cover those that you will definitely need to use at some point. Therefore, we won't be wasting any time, and we will get started with some basic text editing, modifying, then the paragraphs, then the page styles, and then a few more interesting things such as inserting pictures and different objects.
Okay, the next course is Excel for Beginner. Learn the fundamental of Excel. This course only 1 hour and 55 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course develop a proficiency in Microsoft Excel. You will be able to understand comprehensively how Microsoft Excel work, will being exposed to the kind of functionality it always you to execute. You will hopeful no longer fear working with a spreadsheet again. Okay, let's check out the introduction video.
Hi there, thank you for joining us for this course. Now I just wanted to take a minute and tell you why I decided to create this course. So the first time I created this course was about 4 or 5 years ago, and this was just an exercise that I wanted to do, something that I personally struggled with. I came to work, I had no idea how Excel worked, and it was just a really bad experience, and I was like, oh, no one should be going through that again. So that's when we created the course. I created the course. And since then it's had about 15,000 students, so we've had some wonderful responses, and now I had some free time on my hands thanks to COVID, and I felt that I got a lot of feedback on the course, and I wanted to just make sure that I come back and update the lectures and tailor it according to feedback. So what are you going to learn in this course? So we're just going to start off with the very basics. And again, you'll have the old.
Okay, the next course is Super Simple Excel 2016 for Beginner, MS Office 365. A blended course with experience is learn as you create a working gift budget worksheet step by step with the instructor. This course only 1 hour and 2 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course launch Excel and start a blank work, alter size, color and alignment of text and numbers, set cell format as a currency with a decimal point, and create basic formulas and use auto sum, and use conditional formatting to highlight a problem, and insert the resize image and manage language, check spelling and use the DSUS, and print, save and close Excel, and find help within Excel and form the instructor. Okay, let's check it out the introduction video.
Welcome to Super Simple Excel 2016 for beginners. I'm Mark Thompson. I'm a Microsoft Office specialist and trainer in the UK, and I'm going to be your instructor. I'm going to take you from being an absolute beginner and opening Excel for the first time to being able to manage a gift buying budget within Excel. We're going to work together, opening Excel for the first time. We'll add text and images. We'll use formulas, formatting, conditional formatting and images to create a gift buying budget which you'll be able to use year after year. We'll wrap up with how to print, how to check your spelling and use the thesaurus. We'll look at how to save and close. And finally, we'll cover getting help from within Excel itself and from me, the instructor. Right now would be a great time to sign.
Okay, the next course is free Microsoft Dynamics 365 for beginner. Learn the basic to become an expert of Microsoft Dynamics 365 enterprise solution and boost your career growth. This course only 2 hours and 42 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course signing up for a Microsoft Dynamics 365 free trial and practice, and get familiar with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales, customer service, project service, automation, field service, important terms, and become comfortable in navigate through the application, and learn about security model, adding user customization, reporting, and lot more. So let's check it out, the introduction video.
Hello and welcome to this free Microsoft Dynamics 365 beginners course. So Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a suite of ERP and CRM solutions by Microsoft, and by the end of this course you will have complete understanding to get started with Microsoft Dynamics 365, right? So I'm really excited about this, and as you know, the Dynamics 365 is one of the main focuses of Microsoft, and they are investing heavily in this application, and they are picking up really good. So I would say this is one of the best time for you to get started with your Dynamics 365 journey, and of course there is a shortage of certified consultants, so I would definitely recommend you to get started and learn this amazing technology so that you can boost your career growth. So thank you so much for joining me on this course, and let's see what you will learn in this course. So the first thing we'll talk about is Dynamics 365 deployment types. So how can you deploy Dynamics 365 application? I'll talk about the different types available.
The next course is Useful Excel for beginner. Learn the basic of Microsoft Excel and become an effective user. This course is one of the biggest course in the video, 9 hours and 38 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course learn the fundamental of Excel and become an effective user. Let's check it out, the introduction video.
Welcome to Useful Excel for Beginners course. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of Excel and become an effective user. The ideal target audience for the course are those who have never used Excel before, and also those who are beginner level users. You would need to know how to use a computer, open and close applications, and handle digital files. You would need a copy of Microsoft Excel for Windows, since you will be practicing along with the course. I use Excel 2010 for Windows in the videos, but any version with Excel 2007 for Windows or later would work. Versions prior to 2007 have a different user interface, but concepts will still apply. I have more than 11 years of experience working with Microsoft Excel. I have experience leading data analysts and managers to provide reporting and analysis services in large corporations. I also...
Okay, the next course is Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. Learn basic of using Microsoft Excel 2010. This course only 1 hour and 11 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course entering text and numbers into a spreadsheet, and using the order of operation for formulas, and how to save an Excel spreadsheet file and the different file format, and using the freeze pan option to freeze rows or columns in a spreadsheet. So let's check it out, the introduction video.
Hi, this is Cindy. I'm so glad you're going to be able to join me for this Excel 2010 training. I just want to take a moment and introduce myself and tell you a little bit about what to expect as you go through these videos. First of all, I've been doing computer training since 1999. I teach all kinds of software applications, but Excel is one of my favorites. You're going to see that's a lot of fun, and there's absolutely nothing that it can't do. We're going to start at the ground and kind of...
Okay, the next course is Intro to Access Microsoft Access Basic of Beginner. Intimidated by Access? Microsoft Access Basic walk you through creating your first simple database from scratch. This course only 32-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course. At the end of the course, you will be able to create a simple database from scratch and how to navigate the Access dashboard tool and ribbon, and create a table in Access, and create a query in Access, and form in Access, and reporting in Access. Let's check out the introduction video. This course is the last course in the video. Okay, so let's watch the introduction video.
Hello and welcome to the Access Basics for Beginners course. I'm really excited that you're here, and I'm really excited to help you to get started learning Access. Access is a gigantic program, and at first viewing it can seem very overwhelming, very intimidating. It has a lot of different pieces and parts. And so my goal with this short course is to get you familiar with all of the different moving parts and get you some real hands-on experience so that you can create a simple database and see some of the different pieces and parts like forms and reports and queries, and actually create some of them on your own to help you get past that sense of overwhelm and intimidation that can come from looking at Access. So we're going to jump right in and get started.
Okay, that's all. I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.